let me go, let me go. Oh, here we go.
Hey, let me go first.
You're supposed to be third.
Let me go first. Okay, just 1 second. Let's get through all this. Alright, you're first. You're first.
Fire.
I'm poking my hood.
Hey Jake, there's the very spot where the cavemen learned to make fire over here. Did you see that?